Alam mo ba yung mga English words na walang exact translation sa Filipino? Let's talk about some of them, part 1. By the way, this is Gila, your English kachikahan for today. First word is awkward. Means parang naiilang, nahiya, pero walang perfect Tagalog word for it. For example, that was an awkward moment. Second word is crush. It means wala rin to, kaya ginagamit din natin sa Taglish. For example, may crush ako sa kanya. Tandaan, hindi gusto kasi ibang level yon. Third word is spam. Email spam. Wala tayong sariling word for it. Kaya sinasabi na lang, nag-spam siya ng messages. Alin sa mga salitang to ang lagi mong ginagamit? Or may alam ka bang English word na walang Tagalog translation? Comment mo below, please!